This is a live analysis of the pair gold USD, guys. You can see gold has been on a downtrend since March. Let me just give an exact date. Since this was now March, gold has been down trending from then, as you can see, making a new lower lows and also lower highs, and that was a perfect downtrending. But gold right now is at this zone. But if you can just zoom out a little bit, we can see if we just pull up our first indicator, which is actually an awesome oscillator, we might just get a divergence formed up by gold right here. As you can see, gold is making new lower lows, and here it's a different story. As you can see, gold is pulling up, losing some volume, and if we get our third touch, that third touch should probably just be uh at volume. Until there we might get a very nice divergence, because I love trading divergency on a third touch. That's our first prediction, guys. Let's go on a smaller time frame, which is probably going to be a 4 hour time frame. If we can switch on a 4 hour time frame, we can see exactly that gold has been really doing something great. And so you can see the last move that gold did was so beautiful. And let's mark our zone, guys. If we are going to mark our zone, you can see gold right now is at this is a rally base rally zone, is what is where the gold is exactly is. And our next zone is also down here. Our demand zone is down here, guys, and also our support zone. And so far gold made a very nice beautiful move when it started crashing. As you can see, let me just give some highlights here. Gold was really pushing down, then it started this consolidation, then it broke out, coming to retest our rally base rally here, guys. It's a rally base rally retesting, going up to test the other demand zone, which was formed just right here, guys. In perfect tree, gold just tested it with those candlestick. It goes up and it tested this area here, and then it started dropping, probably targeting our area down here. But we're gonna see that on just few minutes. For right now, if you have to mark gold, so you can see the last candlestick is still bullish. We might see gold coming back to adjust another formed supply just here, guys. We might see gold just going to the supply. It's not gonna be a surprise, guys, but our really target is gold to crash. If by Monday we see gold heading up there, we might look for sell entries to our support down below, and also our demand down below, where we can probably take buy entries. But as you can see, guys, there's nothing significant. Everything is perfect here with gold. And if you go to a 1 hour time frame, we can see gold is really trying to move up. So you're really trying to move up. You can see this candlestick. If you go in a smaller time frame, you can see probably a divergence here, which make gold just to move up. And we expect gold to go probably to this area, and then we can take our sell entries from there. But let me just switch on probably a 15-minute time frame and see what gold was doing actually here. By pulling back you can see exactly what I'm talking about. We can see gold was also giving a divergence, a short time divergence, that you can also trade, guys, by forming a divergence here, and you can see it with your own eyes as I'm analyzing. And that probably gonna give you another confirmation to buy gold until somewhere close here, guys, or somewhere just at this support. They also might be a very there might be a very strong zone here. You can even just short it there. Let's see by Monday if gold gonna give us a very nice move and a reason to sell on the marked zone, guys. As you can see, my analysis will probably going to end on 1 hour time frame, because that's what I really that's how I analyze, and that's how I'm gonna end up my positions. If gold just gets straight to that zone, if gold can just get straight to the zone marked above here, guys, we then going to take our sell trades and write it down until our supply below. On a weekly time frame, if we go back on a weekly time frame, there ain't nothing really significant except only the support that was made by some news events, the support that was made here, guys, and that's really not significant for me. And I don't want to look back on other data because I want to trade on the current price by looking at it right now and see if I can get some moves. And thank you guys for watching out of my video. See you again on the next video.